What's up guys, so this is gonna be the most interesting speed test that is between the Redmi 10 and the Infinix Note 10 Pro. As on the Redmi 10 we have got MediaTek Helio G88 chip and 6 GB of RAM, while on the Infinix Note 10 Pro we have got MediaTek Helio G95 chip and 8 GB of RAM. But the most interesting thing is the price of both smartphones is almost about the same. So let's find out which is faster and which is best for gaming in 2021 between these two devices. And as always, starting from the boot up test, and here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. As both are running on their updated softwares. So let's see which one of them is gonna win this race. And you can see logos are moving around. Well, the first test has been won by the Infinix Note 10 Pro and followed by the Redmi 10, and I think it was about 3-second difference between both smartphones while booting up. Now before starting the test, let me just confirm that both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be system dialer. As you can see, this one goes to the Infinix Note 10 Pro messages, and it was about the same camera. And you can see again this one goes to the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Now coming to the third party applications, to see the real difference between the Infinix Note 10 Pro and the Redmi 10. Welcome back. So it was a speed test comparison between the Redmi 10 and the Infinix Note 10 Pro, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones. Now according to this test, I will definitely recommend the Infinix Note 10 Pro against the Redmi 10 because every single application test won by the Note 10 Pro, including the rendering test, Pubg test, and as well as Bootup Test. So in this price range, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is definitely a complete package. Just don't think about the Redmi 10 if you are thinking to buy any of them in 2021. But at the end, you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay, so it was all from us for today. Just make sure to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep supporting us.